Most people get this wrong. They see the processing will begin shortly message on YouTube and think their video is stuck forever. But the surprising truth is that it usually just means YouTube servers are taking time to encode your video. Here's how to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Uploading over a weak connection can cause delays, so try using a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection. Second, make sure your video format is compatible. YouTube prefers MP4 with H.264 video codec and AAC audio. Large or unusual formats can slow processing. If your video is unusually large or in 4K, allow extra time. Sometimes processing can take hours for high-resolution content. Third, clear your browser cache or try a different browser. Sometimes the upload interface gets stuck, and refreshing or switching browsers can push it forward. If the video is still stuck, try lowering privacy settings temporarily. Setting the video to unlisted instead of private or scheduled can sometimes trigger faster processing. Finally, patience is key. YouTube's backend processes videos in multiple steps, including generating previews, adding captions, and optimizing playback. For longer videos, it can take longer than expected. In conclusion, processing will begin shortly is rarely a serious issue. Check your connection, file format, and browser. Then give YouTube some time to finish. Most uploads will complete successfully without intervention. Subscribe for more YouTube tips and troubleshooting guides to keep your channel running smoothly.